Fuding is located in the northeast of Fujian province, at a latitude of 27 degrees north. It is one of the top 10 tea-producing counties, cities in China, and the world's birthplace of white tea. According to the recorded Yongjia Tujin in Lüxueya's The Classic of Tea, the area known as White Tea Mountains is located 300 miles east of Yongjia County, which is currently the earliest known source of white tea. The local mountainous and maritime landscape, along with its warm and humid climate and acidic and fertile soil, all contribute to an ideal environment for tea cultivation. The inhabitants of Fuding have utilized both natural and geographic factors to establish white tea technology, resulting in the development of ecological, production, and cultural systems that serve as outstanding representatives of the Chinese white tea culture system. The Fuding white tea culture system encompasses the towns of Diantou, Panshi, Bailing, Guanyan, and Taimu, all located in Fuding City. The production value of the tea, covering an area of 15,200 hectares, was 2.361 billion yuan. The Fuding white tea culture system implements the compound cultivation of tea trees, crops, and herbs, which facilitates the cultivation of various agricultural, forest, fruit, livestock, and aquatic products, which not only satisfy the food requirements of the people in the heritage site, but also establish a strong economic foundation and effectively promote the growth of the heritage site and the rise of farmers' income. In 2022, the per capita tea income of farmers' households in the heritage site is 22,497 yuan, which accounted for 68.87% of the per capita income of farmers' households. In addition, the tea industry contributed to the income of 148,600 individuals engaged in it in the region, presenting 71% of the registered population. Fuding white tea boasts an extensive range of tea trees. There are Fuding Da Bai Cha, Fuding Da Hao Cha, Fuding Cai Cha, etc. Fuding Da Bai Cha, Hua Cha No. 1, number GS 13001, 1985. Fuding Da Hao Cha, Hua Cha No. 2, number GS 13002, 1985, are national teas. The intercropping pattern utilized by Fuding white tea demonstrates a three-dimensional complex system that encompasses forests, tea plantations, villages, and rivers. It has become an essential habitat for a diverse range of plants, animals, and microorganisms, and plays a crucial role in biodiversity conservation, water conservation, climate regulation, nutrient cycling, and soil and water conservation. The philosophy of harmony between heaven and man, great truths are always simple, guides the planting and processing of Fuding white tea. People have utilized the mountains terrain, forest tea intercropping plantation, and tea grass interplanting to establish ecological tea gardens. They use organic fertilizers, physical and biological control, and different ecological management methods to achieve a balanced ecological system. The process of making white tea is fascinating. No frying or kneading Natural withering is a core process that sets Fuding white tea apart from other teas and allows the maximum amount of tea content to be preserved. Fuding white tea has become profoundly intertwined with people's essential activities, from clothing and food to housing and transportation, weddings and funerals, daily communication etiquette and customs, sacrifice, celebration, and more. It has also become intricately linked with Taimu, the She ethnic group, and different cultures, such as the peculiar Taimu faith and customs, tea pavilion cultural landscape, Zen tea culture, and so on. The Fuding White Tea Festival and Taimu Festival events attract a significant audience of white tea enthusiasts and practitioners. The Fuding white tea production and processing have established a distinctive tea industry consortium model, which has effectively fostered the robust growth of the Fuding tea industry. Landscape features. Tea gardens are the major type of land-use landscape in the area, which exhibit diverse landscapes such as temporal changes, vertical differentiation of altitude, and intercropping due to the influence of terrain, topography, and climate. The extensive history of tea cultivation has shaped a distinctive cultural landscape in Fuding, featuring ancient tea gardens with distinct signs of the times, tea-picking scrolls, tea-making landscapes, and ancient architectural landscapes. Since the Fuding white tea culture system was listed in China Nationally Important Agricultural Heritage Systems in June 2017, Fuding City has taken a series of measures to protect and develop this heritage, including building a white tea industry system, conserving traditional tea germplasm resources, promoting ecological tea plantation management, inheriting traditional knowledge and techniques, publicizing and promoting white tea brands, and optimizing the interest linkage mechanism of the white tea industry chain.
人不负青山，青山定不负人。
In the future, we will continue to strengthen the protection of germplasm resources and ecological landscapes, safeguard and protect our cultural system, develop and utilize it, and seize opportunities to promote the Fuding white tea system to the world.